Man, would you look at that? That is so nice. So.
I believe one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the days just seem so dark.
Okay, back with another updated clip. So I got the muffler watered on by a muffler shop for cheap. Actually, I shouldn't say it was cheap. It was actually a great deal. I got it done for like 40 bucks and within half an hour, which is really awesome. And so let's talk about how it looks like on my car right now. So, alright, let it focus. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes! Yeah, it's perfect. So, let's get a closer look up. Alright, let it focus. Okay, it's focused. So yeah, it actually looks really damn good. It doesn't look ricey. It doesn't look like it's gonna cause an air wreck or anything like that. It looks just about right for my car because my car is slow and it's not the fastest on the road, nor do I want it to be the fastest on the road. It's my daily, so as long as it gets me from point A to point B and I'm saving gas, miles per gallon, I would say, I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna do a cold start and a couple revs. Okay, so I'm back. But yeah, so that's how it sounds like. I don't want to piss off my neighbors, so I'm not going to excessively rev it for so long. So, yeah, like I said before, if you're interested in getting this type of muffler yourself, click on the link below in the description below, and have a great day. Alright.